Say, I beg you, in the name of God, there is nothing going on between us. I don't know what's wrong with you.
Now we will be our marriage woman. How can I date marriage woman?
Say, I don't have anything to do with her.
Hey, you are the most wicked person in this planet.
So please, who told you?
Who told me?
Who told you, sir?
I
want to make it clear to you. I don't have anything to do with it.
It's true.
It is not true, sir.
It's true.
It's not true.
You date marriage woman.
Say.
Any being what so no be yere da. What it? What about them?
I go there to help her wash her dishes. That's all.
Rua.
So I don't have anything to do with her. If the authorities are to hear about this, I'm doing.
Who gave you authority to go there? Who gave you authority?
She just like me, you know.
She just like you. Like how? Can you explain me the like?
Alright, so I run errands for her. Me ko to ade bre no so ma meduane. And the man me call kitchen when I me ko boa na my ho That's all. I don't have anything to do with her. Oh, who said this to me to you, sir?
Hey, Aroma. We are fucking papa.
I'm just begging you.
Aroma boa. One na chimp na. One can't madam no. Aroma, o kan kure kakra na heading.
Why there?
O kan kure kakra.
Sa mo papa ni jimi ni bi na mu sua no won. Ha? Mo papa na wa twentwa to ma na ha ayi.
Odane madam Catherine.
O say wo di ene madam Catherine wo bi say.
Madam Catherine is nothing to me, sir. Adams.
Offer. Me say omo chimp na.
Papa mo si wonyene ne ho.
Mo si nkonya metima yi ma no.
Wonyene ne ho. Na wodo a ebeba.
Adams, me.
Me.
Me na neda wo hear me say.
Adams, your parents take you to come to school. Then you dated marriage woman. It can be a possible.
Yeah, it's right.
Yeah, it's then. Do you know? Obi yere say madam Catherine.
Only see e call like guntu. Wait. Owo guntu owo no. Say chase. Adams wo guntu.
Meba wo. Sese mo di anwanwasam kwa na mo ye. Asem ahinta no na mo yiye pie mebo a. Anya wu na guntu kro ya me achi mutu mu no. En wasa achi guntu no wo no. Guntu. Ana so bura.
Family na bonsa.
Wo de bonsa ba won de enye bonsa mebo a. Eya mo ma bonsa mo nto no wate. Adai. Wono ni oyi guntu da. Guntu. Me come ho afro say no madam she don't have mumie no e die pa na mo pe die mo nka die mo pe e die na mo pe nti mumie no die na mo pe ida se mo ma twa mo be free school mu ana me medwane agya mo stupid fools
of I said that no dey na e ka
ira Adams ira
Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me pesa me come any months so meya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the party they come my way. Oh.
Santoa. Yes. Thank you. I want me ana.
And then who are some here?
Na atriz catch am mpo.
Really?
Catch am mpo. Ani os me saco.
Media na media to
I don't know what na.
I don't know some sir.
That's all cause I for my why slow.
Opoku didn't now friend me na me call.
Okay.
Kase.
Anka do ti ba ku. Ele. Look on.
Opoku ni serious.
So blah.
Some crown some crown na we.
No some crown ni ma de to.
Adebe.
Adwuma am bisha wonsa maintain home resource bia.
Ejuma be insa.
Oh. Someone to me ya. Ay precious.
Ah, precious then.
Accusations.
Makeri.
And what can I say?
Oh, Makeri afa bibia okay. I mean nakasa afa bibia okay.
Precious atiase.
Ah, what I say?
God na kwakwale. Precious atiase. Hwe asantoa. Asantoa me chowade. Yeah, nyakopon. Allah is great. Allah is Sariki. Amene hine. God of God, the Lord of Lord, the Savior of the Savior. Oh! Finally, me kind, me see me the fast and 12 hours. Adefa. Me kind.
E de ochire. E de otu ochire chire.
Are.
E de otu ochire chire.
Baby, why are there more about eh? Asantoa, hey, give him a penny bear 100 times. Get na antiase.
What ase kuna kucha. Why?
Huh?
What ase kuna
And
kucha.
me bo abaso say why are there no. Are na pay dem na dem.
Ochire. Timi kwa kacha pesho se mimi nipa bonini mimi kumi mimi udini.
Why?
Ubi samsa why?
Mere.
O kwa kacha pesho se mimi udini nti ontwi ni hu firi mi ho nyesa.
Time.
Ubi samsa time be.
Ah, dem na wa change mood sisi e.
Na change mood. Wape what else nti ko
Nyabte. Ati sisi aso obu ofu bi ata okasa style.
Mimi bu ofu na wo bi fanfuli wa ya hu won.
Sese.
Aya na wajin ya so nkwa na obetimi fanfuli obi on. Ise me ka so what else we ni age. Wo dey ade ase. Ona kwotwa. Why?
I don't know fanfuli me.
Ona kwotwa. O ka chere ne se mimi nipa boni mi udi ni ontwi ni hu firi mi ho. Yes, me meku no.
Eno de me doubt it, eno de me kan.
O kan o.
Me de me prim, eno de me kan. But say na me nim say bia me ba oni ma be hia mo afiri ho. Eno de me chen. Eno de me kan, forgive me for that.
Okay.
Ye chem de me ntwam nko.
Ene me so de o kan ina msuma ka chere.
Sese.
De o kan ina say why ho se den boys na chane sa. Ukra o pele chane mi enu bi ni ade no. Ma kan ina chere.
Asanto ayes ade a wajimi.
Me majimi.
Ah, na ukra wajimi. Mi ba de o chere no. Ah, na me chere na wo po bi ama me akaka chense mi tu o.
Na wo so di so pedi pa na. Wo de be fa me so no cause this me a chere ni pa no. Na we abeka chere.
Me nim se me hia mo afiro. Se na me nim.
Na nim se any apai. Aka.
Etu so hima.
Ajita. Na ko beti ase but o ka sa asem no ka chere me nti na so okay. Ene say na kind ene wo so ka say na me ka chere.
Asanto a. Che. Asa na me town dada. Ana me no be proof. Ensan ma me nkom dada mu san town.
Ene ye na ko hon no.
Asanto a ti. Kono ko ka chere precious na ye prank. Me siro. Che asanto me pewasem. Ko ka chere precious na ye prank. De eno no de precious ka chere no magia tum se me kan. On say chanka miminia ka me oba ka me twantro. But magia tum I didn't need to do that.
Since na magia tum say the okai no misuma ka say oka sa chere me na misumbufu na misume kan.
Ah,
Misume ka chere say waka say.
this is say.
Auntie sisi a enfa.
Say ni de waka kra de afekra na me ho be na hi kra mo.
Aika. Kra ho emehi.
Asanto me pewasem asanto nyemisa. Ati asanto.
Mama ye ode.
Nyemisa me pewasem. Esa what me ko de meet me now. Oh, saka at least e bia ka o pe no kra wan ti ase kra ke bia ka watwa fa so na sa ko ka che me say o sa ko ka che say bia ma twa ne dis a kirewa eno no pressure dem ho adwin be shin tirim e be say me share na me ntimi nkasa no
na wo ko twa me this the train na ko de share say me nipa bonini a enka me de minimo na ka maka che say o Opoku si o feel maka ma na eti ase awio no say nenyi Opoku na ka che me say wo ye wudini ntimi ntwim mfuram sa
on na ta precious na kan sa mo asem no ma ga say we wudini o
precious na ne de
na wakun wa ba wakun ba we wudini
wane ku han ba
na ba nya wana kun
me la mi kun ase wasem na ko say beti ase ba sisi
agro me so me di agro tete agro oba na me kura na me kun
wo na okun me ban
hwe yi me nya asem
yeah me pen kwa na me know the party they come my way oh yeah Me I'm embroso with Maya. Me person me come any months with your Maya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah.
Auntie, madam.
Hey, don't touch me. How dare you touching me? How dare you, Adam, touching my skinny?
Oh, Auntie, madam. Adam, what did I do?
You are gossiping, Papa. If you don't know and you don't took yourself careful with me, you will see the bad side of me.
Oh,
I swear my father can't
some information, see how you are.
Me information. Took your gossip and let me took my way. Took your gossip, and let me took my way. If you saw me, don't even talk to me. Don't talk to me.
So, do you know something? Do you know Aroma? I've seen Aroma.
Hey! Let Aroma name took out of your mouth. Why always Aroma gossip with your own blood brother? You see, you are not a good person. And be careful with me. If you don't know and you gossip about me again in this industry or this school, no, you will see me. You will see me redly. And you will see the bat inside the better side of me.
But I can't be any it's no need anything big, huh?
Fine boy, you carry this hard work on your chest. Don't you tired? If you don't know me, go and ask my background. Stupidity. No, took it and let me took away. Took your things and let Aroma do whatever he wants because God created him as himself. So I don't care what she doing or what he doing, okay?
Then if his girlfriends start coming to beat you, don't blame you.
Me, Madam Katrina Canteen, Madam. Me, Katie, who can took his hand on me in this school? Oh, over my dead body. Just a me. If you don't see me and you call me, you will see.
And Katrina, so what at all is your problem? What happened?
What at all?
What did I do?
It's not you going to tell in my ear that me and Aroma something going between me and him.
Me?
Now who?
Me?
If it not be you, it be who?
Oh, Madam Katrina, why would I do that?
It's only you know what is going on between me and Aroma. No one else.
It's not only me. Aroma after all the boys. Aroma, I told you.
Aroma will never do that. I know him very well. He can never do that because him is secreting me and him relationship. How does him going to tell people or Imae? And Imae is insulted me. That I am a loser and whatever, and you children I'm dating, which is not nicely.
I'm not the one who told him my age. I can't see, madam. How can I tell my age?
Please know how you kiss your mouth, okay?
Oh no, it's not me. Oh, can't see, madam. Means me quite sad.
Don't do that again. In fact, I'm get hungry, and the next time and you don't know and you gossip about me in this school, you will see.
I say, there may be an amateur go say. Oh, no fans, so my back can't so much. I catch.
Precious. Being said, Fanfula, you love Fanfula very so much. Because I know, what I know is, your best friend is Fanfula. Please, I beg you, talk to your friend Fanfula. Kasachira Fanfula don't stay away in Trasantoa. Now I'm one because me the mimi who are say oh future. Precious, and this is come am pemu ye. Me pemu ye, but ye ka some chema. There be Fanfula akura ketua we sisu a wo best school. One of sister na ekodate. Eti adisua wo sua ne be ye. Adachi o ma me ka boy no asiwie. How? Miss your friend, na ka sachire no. Na ka chance won twi ne hu mfra santo ano. Emmoa no. Se me yes and to have voters ID card at Rewa on. No age was on Ubi Chane. How good to Ubi Chane? She found full of gin and chain. Pintia Santua black. No one free no. I'm one.
I should paint her black.
Oh, but if he gives somebody advice, it's a black.
So you call him, and since you know everything about Asantwa, call Vaughn and then advise Vaughn. I don't know anything about Asantwa. Me, I think their relationship is okay, it's perfect. So if you have a problem with their relationship, just call the person you want to advise and advise him. Why do you have to add me to it? When people fall in love, do you want me to be the third person?
Wow, background ben who betimne na kasa na me ka asem kire no. O ba so kire me say me who to teach mama say you teach me like a tick.
I do it.
Yeah, but
I teach you like a
but
tick.
It's a tick. Who kasa kire no no ntwi no free asanto nyini. Nyini.
And so
Ukuni fi pe fa na ntilizi.
That is who Vaughn wants. So what's your problem? But you still took Asantwa, right? Huh?
Just want to encourage
No.
That's why.
That's who love best.
Mathematics Jimmy call Jimmy Dodo John Mateko. Stay so your campus to say meboa. Oh your home campus to say meboa. Just all campus in 2 year campus to say much me. Meboa.
So where from all these insults?
Why
do you always want to insult me?
Who insult you?
English, tree, fancy. Kasa different. Ade. Just I would say kasa for and you so ya now didn't convert. Ade.
Kema ko chini wallahi kema ko chini. Ba ka yauka wallahi ke ka yauka. Ka yauka. O ba jofu.
See.
Je vous rageais.
You are jealous. I can clearly see that you are jealous.
Asantwa won't come back. How bed top no why bed man call.
Only make us want to know a permanent, then you call me again. Don't call
me. I swear. I swear my back.
Every time you swear.
I swear my back. I will never see my back. So me will be okay.
I'm going. Don't ever call me again. I'll report you to the school.
Okay.
No.
So I'm sure okay to say, you know. Bude suri and sheka bari yaka. Hey. Go me pa.
Awesome. Yeah, don't be.
Hi guys.
For free.
Yeah. Two love beds. Wow.
Okay, no today.
You said I should find a way for you two to break up.
My no bother man.
So right now, what is Sema's problem?
No, I just feel like he's jealous.
Oh, for jealous, I can see he's jealous.
He's jealous because I told him that he shouldn't be calling me anymore. Because I can't waste my time on such cases. You people are in love. It's your choice to date, right?
Exactly.
So you can't call me and tell me, oh, this and that. And he was telling me that you are way older and then you could give birth to one and blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, I don't care. I don't care.
He's very mad.
So you should take care of yourself. So you guys should know how to move around him. Because whatever you do, he's still a teacher in the school. And if he wants to get you two into trouble, he's going to easily do that.
But if you're a teacher and you have no self-respect for yourself, why should we also respect you?
Exactly.
He's not asking for respect though. He's willing to do something against you too.
He can't do anything against us.
Nothing at all. He shouldn't try anything, Precious.
Hey!
He shouldn't.
Why you guys have some kind of protocol in the school?
No, this is not about protocol.
Then?
So what? No, do you want us to be scared of him or something? Why are you so scared of that man?
No, because I know what he's capable of doing.
He's capable of doing what?
I told him that if he tries to move things further, I'll report him to the school authorities. And if I do, you guys too might be in trouble.
Be in trouble?
Because you're dating in school. You're not supposed to date in school. You as for me, that is why I always advise people not to date teachers in school. You don't have to be dating teachers in school.
P for prayer.
No, but it's the truth.
Don't start.
My biggest regret.
Don't
You see?
But that doesn't mean bring it
seriously, this is my biggest regret. I regret being with that man. I swear.
It's good you've seen it.
You guys, don't worry. If he tries anything, like I said, I'm ready to go 2 and 2 with him.
What can you do? Okay,
Precious.
But I believe me. I don't get him. You want every girl in this school. So why can't he let me be? Like,
he can't try anything. He can't try anything at all.
I have to find a way to deal with
it. If he does, we will take drastic measures with him.
So I'm leaving. In case he calls me again, I'm not willing to go. So you guys should tell him that.
Don't go. Don't mind.
When you guys meet him, tell him to take me out of you guys your threesome. I'm out of it.
What threesome?
I'll see you guys there.
You are very annoying.
I know.
Okay. Oh God. What kind of stress is this?
You don't worry. I'll handle him. My idea, so I say. I'll handle him. Because this is getting out of hand. How can you tell someone to separate us? Like, what do you want? What else do you want? After putting me through all this stress.
I said if he tries anything again, I would have to resort to drastic measures. I'm not scared to.
Yeah, the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm embroso with me yeah. Me passa me come anymore so
It wasn't far. And you see my car house again and one and a bit. But maybe I send back open and person make it. She ain't again one in a basa. Montana fe. Now we could drink it.
How na ekere
Oh, what day? Some people awesome. Oh, je drinky. Why? Je drink. Okwa meja. You the one who born me. Now things are sent back when Miss Akacho on the enya akra ne basa even say boni bi no obeyew ana oye wade ne hawa chene transe ene ne nkasa odo me no wa na eko bibi say ha me bibi say chimadwene wo bisa no mesrew e ma ne nye ntokwa
Accusations Iddi why the album hukaka
the ones no say e ba se no ebo
Accusations I want pa obi na bebe jina me do pa na minja be say
wo je wo do no ere ze azin awude mi odo amede zo odo amede do no minim odo amede zo ankete eji mesrew hweye nani asanto anyai hweye mani asanto anyai montina wati
se ba so ade ma ati
ati
what's Iddi
it's like that okay
say your flavor ben
oh yeah Katiza flavor Katiza flavor yeah why
Katiza number
kwa no one we uku ya bitimi ate ano no one wa de just for chill
yeah why mo di bambi won ti me kwa
nanka de aboso but uku ya bitimi tuso ano no me kaka
academy to do anu by the time I'm doing
look at the to do anu ma but what dey to do
not to do but
now I'm on person to do
I say
I'm not to do no
oh I want mama go say
Mate why Mate
say what I dey me hu me nka mama me legini na mpa abo
enye hwe aw ene na ntwan why
Mate
okay sure bye bye
yeah bye bye
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm embroso with me yeah. Me passa me come anymore so me yeah.
Sometimes gonna make you forget you piara. You sometimes gonna make you forget you piara when you want to sick. Sometimes gonna make you forget you piara. Hey, mom, baby. Asantua, you wouldn't believe what just happened.
What happened?
Something so weird, but at the same time so interesting. It's just so joyous.
What is it?
I was just coming, and then Sir James met me. And then when he met me, he was speaking about how now he's giving me the 100% freedom and then the full coverage that yes, I should live with you. Since we both love each other, we should live together. He was speaking about how even if we fight, I should just live with you. I should forgive you. We should work out all differences. When I was telling, I was like, this is the same Sir James who was threatening me the other time. In the end, he was like, oh, we should let all bygones be bygones and just live together.
Mai.
Yes.
Mai told you all this.
Mai told me all of this. He kept on praising us here and there. I was flabbergasted, to be honest. I was really, really shocked.
I don't believe him.
It's true. I mean, look, he even gave me this drink. He gave me the drink as a symbol of, let me see.
Bring it.
Why?
Bring it. Phone, give it to me. Mai gave you this.
Yes.
One.
Asantua, why are you asking me this right now?
One Indiana.
No, I was not about to drink it.
One. Are you a kid? Are you a kid? Why should you even believe in him? Mai, giving you this.
He sounded genuine.
No, he's up to something. One, that man is up to something.
Asantua, didn't you get what I just said here?
He's up to something, I swear. He gave you this. No, me, I want to take my said, or per se, and come boom, baby.
Yeah.
No, the way my said, now, no.
Asantua, I don't know why right now you are acting.
Wait. In Tinkawa, Sham or how do you still at home?
Yeah, I had some food there, so I was going to eat it alongside food. Asantua, why are you acting like this all of a sudden? When I was telling you the beginning of this, when I was saying the beginning of this convo, there was something you were smiling and everything.
He's up to something. Think.
Asantua, you are overreacting.
You don't believe in me, right?
Yes.
Where was he?
When I was coming, I think he was heading, I don't know if he was going back to his bungalow or something, but he was on the
Let's go there.
Asantua, we should go and do what?
Vaughn.
Asantua,
me see you uncle no, me never drink me uncle. Say uncle no, you do have it to the American and say uncle. Oh, the way I'm also watching.
Asantua, what's wrong with this? I don't know why we're making a fuss of this.
One person updates now, woman for the staff saying now, sir. What is it?
What though? Asantua, we are going for what?
Let's go.
I'm in the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Broso with Maya. Me person me come any months with your Maya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish.
Mai. What are you doing? Mai. Make a song. What are you doing? Mai, then I make a song.
I can't be yes,
what are the chain?
I mean, I'm the man.
What are the chain? My ready. Many are the pass, see the why wages of Masujiaba. It's me. So on the mamma. But that's behind the stick.
Menum de.
So, no, my there be celebration.
I'm a day
For peace.
Why?
I don't know any.
Menum,
sir.
My there be.
Miss Menum, who's a dinner?
I don't so beno.
This is charging
My open.
Miss Menum,
Say, relax. Say.
Beno.
how is he? Judging you. Relax.
It's all the aquaso.
Would I want me? I dear my son, man, I got you. Oba, I live with a bay.
Oh,
Well, I live with a bay.
My.
O jambi na ne ba no. What do you call? What say
On dance. I say it's on the problem ni ma ebetuma anu.
Me say me nom. I would Jimmy Coqua, na de nyame na iwadum keme kuam won say wasi e o ba nanum e kuam man ka be ma Jimmy for me de ade ama asen ma na de akwa kire wo yire
I know any paboni
o ma wo ba wale mu da we yes wale age no John.
Why are you so wicked like that?
Who is so wicked?
You
say
why you like
na de ade na
why like ka be wu ajate ho ka be wu ajate ho abu adwan de ade ama ji na de akwa kire wo yire o ba wale mu da we obi awale mfie kojo hoho ye nti na sam Jimmy ka bo kame ku ajate no asia don let's go.
have you seen?
Say nana mo for work the whole short no Beyonce zo eno kwala
So who? So who? My but all of a sudden, pretend it show say, oh, he's ready for peace and everything. What the drink come out, so no watch.
Asanto, thank you. Asanto, I'm really grateful. Hey, sir. Sir, so after all we've been through, this is what you are doing.
I feel it's so very wicked. So what is buying? Next time, also pretend you don't believe a child be man.
I won't collect anything.
Oh, when you are Jew, dear, such as what child on Simon, when you are Jew, dear, sir. I said, why you saying straight the whole?
Asanto, don't Simon no apple. A bit more to don't Simon for mama.
Into the one who you now, one moon to us, I don't Simon on me. You come out.